Short one.
Yeah, short one.
But nice one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Promotion, where creativity meets kindness. Today, I'm heading out to supply small business owners with a free promo video. I don't know who will say yes or no, but that's part of the journey. Let's see what happens. For my very first episode, I took the motorbike and set out on the road, excited but also nervous about how people would react. Here we are at our first business. Let's see if the owner lets me make a free promo video for them. Woo! Let's go. Before bringing the camera over, I spoke with them off camera to explain the project. Even though you can't hear our conversation here, this is the moment they agreed. I went back to grab my equipment. Now it was time to start my first promo mission. My name is Cyprian. I'm a videographer. Yeah. Would you like me to make one for you?
Exactly, let's go.
I started capturing shots of the restaurant, the process of preparing shawarma. And the delivery moments. I want to show the real atmosphere of their business. After cooking, they even offered us some of their shawarma. I sat down with my wife, who was helping me capture the behind the scenes, and we enjoyed the food together. It was such kind that made the experience even more special. After sharing this meal, it was time to head back and start the editing process. I want to take all the shots we captured, from the cooking to the street atmosphere, and craft a promo video that truly represents their business. Once the edit was finished, I brought the video back to them. This was the moment I had been waiting for, watching their reaction in person to a story we created together.
Wow. Okay. Customer also you take shots, huh?
Yes.
Short one.
Yeah, short one.
But nice one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I like it. I like it very much.
That's it for episode 1 of Promo Mission, where creativity meets kindness. Seeing their reactions today reminded me why I do this. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next mission. Peace.